Hi there, my name's John Zenas. I'm an instructor at Ottawa Swordplay, and this is a quick video showing how to clean up your sword for getting back to the sword hall now that we are allowed to do such things. So the first thing I'm going to do is use some WD-40 as a solvent to clean off the blade, because that's all I have, but there are other things that would probably work just as well. So I'm going to wipe down the blade. Clean it off, wipe off the hilts, try and keep it in the camera so that you actually have something interesting to look at. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit of surface rust. Not a lot, but I don't need a lot. I just need to take off that initial little bit. Once that's done, I'm going to take some 3-in-1 oil, but there are other things that could work, like metal polish, Peak metal polish, or there's some other brands that could work, but I can't find my tube of it, so 3-in-1 oil is what I'm using. And put some on one side and it sticks, so I can put it on the other side. And we just do a quick polish. Trying my best to keep the sword in the camera. Into the crevices, working hard, get it nice and smooth. Then use a clean spot, paper towel, wipe all that gross off, and as you can see, quite a bit of gross. Get another clean piece of paper towel. Oh, we're almost done. Wipe it down. Then put on a little bit more clean oil. Bloop. And rub that onto the sword. And a little bit on the hilts, just to keep it clean. And that should get your sword nice and ready to come back to class and make you feel like your sword is safe to use and won't give anyone tetanus. As a side note, if you're finding that your surface rust is a little bit more serious than what can be dealt with a scrubby, you can try using either a superfine abrasive sanding pad. It's really serious. You can look at using some sandpaper. But if you are seeing bright orange rust or dark black pitting on your sword, you should probably bring it in and have one of our experts check it out to make sure it's still safe to use. All right, we look forward to seeing you at the sword hall. Thanks very much for paying attention, and have a great day.